Hello, everybody. A warm welcome to the 40th episode of my YouTube channel, Office English. In this particular episode, I'll be talking about responsive web design. Responsive web design means the approach that makes sure that the web pages render correctly in different devices and in different screen sizes. When it comes to web pages, web pages use HTML. The HTML part is the one that you see in the browser, and the HTML links to a file called cascading style sheets or CSS file. Those are the things that I am going to discuss in this particular episode. So over to the explainer video part for the same. Please click the subscribe button for latest videos in my channel. If you like my videos, please click the like button. That's all in this episode. Stay safe. Bye for now.